Hello and welcome to my channel. Wait, it's wonky, isn't it? Let me fix that. Is that better? Whoa. But I hope that all of you had an amazing Easter. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video, so Easter might have been like ages ago to you, but to me right now it's Easter weekend. I'm sitting here eating my Easter egg. Today I'm doing another haul video. I love haul videos, and like I said in my last haul video, I'm going to be bringing a lot more fashion onto my channel. So today is a collective haul. So I have things from Misspap, ALDO, Pandora, Topshop, I think, and maybe a few more bits, I can't remember now. If you'd like to see what I've picked up in the last month or so, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my Pandora stuff, because I have it on now and it's just like easier. As I've mentioned about a million times on my channel, my initials are BEE, so that's why I have a ton of things with bees on. That's why my channel is called Beeluxury. My website is Beeluxury. Just everything around me kind of really has bees on it. So when I saw that Pandora had released a collection that had a ton of bee stuff in it, I'm not kidding, I literally had a meltdown. I screamed, and I actually found out, I'm not going to say who told me because she might get in trouble, but a friend of mine works in Pandora and she messaged me like, oh, this stuff's going to come in and it's got bees on it and you're going to love it, and then she sent me some photos and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Also, my cousin works in Pandora, so I was like, please tell me when it's out in stores. Please tell me. I did manage to get some pieces. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll put my handle up here. But I already put all this stuff on my Instagram stories, and so many of you messaged me like, oh my god, it's stunning. So some of you may have already seen this. I'm pretty sure all of this is limited edition. So if you do want to get your hands on it, I would go pretty quickly because you don't want to get disappointed. The collection is called Pandora Shine, and it's not just bee stuff, but there's a lot of bee things in the collection. It's mainly all gold or gold plated. I would get the whole collection if I could, but that would just be ridiculous. Got it in this bag that I thought was super cute. It has the collection on it and the ribbon on it is gold, and I love just little touches like that. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the bracelet, and this is the box that I got it in. It is so cute. It's got like the bees on it and it's got a little heart in one of the like honeycomb things, and then on the front and on the sides it says limited edition. This is the bracelet. It has like a pull thing here. I never know what you call these, but normally these are rope, but this is actually just a thin gold chain, and then you have the honeycomb across the wrist, and you have two little bees on there. You've got one there and one there, and if you can see, the honeycomb is alternate, so you get a completely clear honeycomb, and then you have one with a heart print inside, and then clear, and then heart, and then clear. Oh my goodness, I just fell in love. The first time I saw it was online, and I actually thought it was a bangle from the photos, and I have really kind of skinny wrists. I was thinking, oh, it might not fit me, but when I got it, I was like, I thought that the actual honeycomb bit was like solid and it was more like a half a bangle, but it's not. It's completely kind of flexible, if you like. So I managed to get my hands on this and I love it so much. Also, I was really surprised that the whole collection is actually really delicate and dainty and small, which is very much my style when it comes to bracelets and rings, and that is the next thing I'm going on to. Pointing at this ring, but it's not that ring, it's this ring. So this is the same as the bracelet, but it only has one bee on it. So it has one bee here, and then on the honeycomb it has a clear and then a heart one, and then a clear then a heart. The honeycomb is only a tiny bit smaller than the actual bracelet, but again I was so surprised how kind of small and dainty this is, and it's not like in your face bee, which sometimes I do worry about it because the amount of stuff that I have got that has bees on it. These are gold plated, so they do recommend that you, when you get in the shower, to take it off and things like that, which I do anyway. Again, this is what the ring came in, and it has the same pattern on it. And the last thing I got was a pair of earrings. I love this because they are not the same, they're not matching. So one of them is a bee and one of them is a heart. I'm going to show you now. I have them in my ears right now, and I have them in my second and third piercing, and I love them there because the heart is much smaller than the bee, so having them like that, I just love it so much. It just looks so cute. So that is what I got from Pandora. I got this off of Amazon, and it is a makeup palette and a spatula to mix up colours with, and like foundation colours and things like that. And I just thought it just helps me keep things tidy and clean. And then when I was looking at getting one of these, because I've known I've wanted one of these for quite a long time now, I saw these, and these are, let me open them. It's basically the same thing, but it's on a ring, so you can just put it on your finger and it's just easier to have it with you. I think I mainly got these for when I'm doing makeup on other people. Next, I'm going to go into Misspap, and firstly, it is what I'm wearing right now. I honestly love Misspap's loungewear. Whenever I want a really nice loungewear set, I always look there first. I feel like they were either the first or one of the first brands to really up their game when it came to tracksuits and loungewear, and now everyone does it. It's a huge thing, and I'm so excited about it because I'm a massive loungewear tracksuit type of gal, and I saw this and I literally fell in love with it. When I showed Matt, he was a bit like and then when I put it on, like when it turned up and I put it on, he was like, oh my god, that is so you, that's so nice. And I was like, first of all, I'm going to show you the top, and I honestly love the fit of it. I love that it's super oversized. If you see the arms, they like come right down here, so they're kind of really baggy arms. It looks a bit crazy when I do that, but when it's down, I really like it. And I like to style it by kind of tucking in the front end of it, so you still kind of get that curve because the bottoms are high-waisted, and then I kind of just leave it there, so it kind of gives you something here to break up, so you're not crazy oversized. Then it also has this rainbow stripe down the side of the arms as well as around them, and let me show you the back. Honestly, what sold it for me was the kind of fit of the top. You could either kind of wear it as it is, or I would lift up the sleeves a little bit. And the bottoms are high-waisted and elasticated, and you've also got a drawstring here, so you can really cinch it in at the waist if you want to. If you wanted to wear the top kind of down, you could. And I would completely wear this separately as well. So these are the colours in like the rainbow detail. It is a really random order, I must admit, but I really do like it. I also have a pair of trainers that are like exactly same colour as this burgundy, so I was like, yes, I'm on that. I'm going to be wearing them with this. And then these are the bottoms, and I have folded them, so if I let this go all the way down, for me, it's not completely skinny at the ankle. So what I've done is just folded it, which I normally kind of do anyway. You have pockets in these that go quite low, which is really, really nice. This is such a good material. It's like just a normal kind of cotton material. Again, it has this rainbow stripe, goes all the way down, which when you have your arm down, it's like quite nice that it flows nicely. So it goes all the way down, and then what it looks like at the back. I just think they're a really nice fit. They're not too tight, but they're so comfy. They also have this set in black and khaki as well, and this is £30 for the whole thing. I appreciate that, Misspap. I also got another loungewear set from Misspap, and let me just get it. The next set I got was this, and it's these like pink bottoms. These are a different material. It's really hard to explain. Like, it's a bit like how some football tops, I just keep thinking of like my boyfriend's football shirts. You know, you get them like football or rugby shirts that are like a shiny material, and then you get the other ones that are just that little bit thicker, but it's still that sport type material. That is what this is. If you know what I mean, then well done, because I don't even think I know what I mean. But got a tie up here, which is actually not like a real tie up, it's just like a added on bow just to make it look nice. And then down the sides you have this white and black stripe, and they're just like skinny bottoms. And then you have this crop top, which is obviously the same. The stripe is at the top, and yeah, I think it's one of those things where on the model it looks amazing, and then on you, you're like, you might love it, but for me, I personally felt like I looked like a superhero or a Power Ranger. No, this is going to be something that I'm currently sending back, and you might actually love it, so I just thought I'd add that in here. Next, we're going to the Topshop stuff I got, and it's only two things. When I saw the new Ivy Park drop, I was like, Sorry, what? If you follow my Instagram, you would have seen, because I put a ton of stuff on my Instagram story from them going, oh my god, how amazing is this? It was just my vibe. It's so my vibe. Ugh, I can't remember what they're called, but I am so into big, long, baggy t-shirts with writing up the arm or like just across the back. But this is kind of like the same vibes. This is an Ivy Park t-shirt. I got this in an extra small, and they actually go down to, I think it's either a extra small or a triple XS. These are really oversized. Like, no way would I ever say I'm an extra small in anything. I would say that I'm a medium, but I'm actually quite short. This is quite a long t-shirt. I think it's meant to be like a t-shirt dress. Small and medium were that little bit too long for me, and especially in the arms. And it's in like this nude colour. The back is completely plain, and on the arm it says Ivy Park, and I love this so much. I also love that the back comes lower than the front, because, you know, you just gotta have that little extra bit of coverage on your bum, you know? I can just see myself in the summer wearing this with like some little cycling shorts underneath it, like kind of Yeezy vibes, not Yeezy but Yeezy, you know what I mean? Then I have a pair of Nike CR trainers that are exactly the same colour as this, Louis backpack, sunglasses, vibe. That is the first thing I got. And the second thing, I was like, oh my god, nearly ripping them off the mannequin, and then we finally found where they were, and I literally picked them up and was like, these are mine. So I tried them on and I was like, oh. So there's these Jamie jeans, what I absolutely love. I think like every girl kind of loves a Jamie jean. They have down the side kind of a sports stripe, but they have diamantes on the outside, and it goes completely down the leg. And sorry, but if this wasn't me in a pair of jeans, then I don't know what is. I'm literally going to wear them everywhere. Just like a plain white tee that I'd like tuck in, or is like a bit cropped or something like that. So I cannot wait to wear these. Where are you, price tag? Oh, these were £49, which I actually thought was quite good, because I was thinking 55, between 50 and £60. Like, because like normal pair of jeans are normally like 40 quid from there anyway. That's not bad. Like an extra £9 on top for all them like diamantes, I'm fine with that. So I had to get them. So the last thing is actually in here, and I haven't opened it yet, and it is from ALDO. Obviously they are some shoes. I think they do other stuff, not just shoes now, but they're a shoe shop ideally. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, Brooke, you didn't. Oh my god, really? The story behind these are, I was shopping in Lakeside and it was a Sunday and all the shops were closing up, and we was like rushing to get to the car so we didn't get stuck in that traffic of everyone like coming out of the shopping centre. We was walking like really quickly through the shopping centre to the car park, and then I was just like looking through the windows, and then I saw these shoes in ALDO, and I was like, oh my god. And then Matt was like, no, like we can't stop, like they're closing anyway, like come on. And I was like, oh my god, they were literally, and I was like, I'm never gonna see them again. Do you know, have you ever had that, like when you see something? I have it with sunglasses all the time, where I see a pair of sunglasses and I'm like, right, I'll come back and I'll buy them another day, or I'll buy them at another shop or something like that, and you never ever see them again. I was like, I'm never ever gonna see these trainers again. And the second I got home, I ordered them. I was like, I'm not messing around. Like, I have an ALDO really close to me that I could have just like gone to in a few days, but I was like, I'm not risking it. Oh my goodness, like can you even believe it? I was just saying how much if I see something glittery I'm like all over it, and this is just like ridiculous. They have this thing where they recommend your shoe size, so to click on it and then it will say what shoes have you got. So I put Nike Theas down. I literally picked the exact ones that I had and said that I had them in a size 4, and then I have the Adidas Superstars that I think are in a 3 or 3.5. They kind of put that together and then they said, okay, we recommend that you get a size 4 in this shoe, which I probably would have got anyway, but I just thought it was a really good idea. If you're in between sizes, you can add as many shoes on there as possible, and the more shoes you can add on there, kind of like the more accurate shoe size from it. So I thought that was a really good thing. Like, I haven't seen that before. The glitter's not coming off, which is amazing. Should I put them on? I'll put them on. But I know every time I wear these, I'm gonna have people look at me like, oh my god, like. And what is good actually is I thought that at the back of your heel that the glitter would kind of rub, but there's material all back there, like none of the glitter is touching your skin whatsoever. Oh my god, Brooke, are you crazy? The sole is so spongy. This is what they look like on, and I can't, oh. Now I've got them on, I actually love them even more because how soft they are inside. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I'm now going to go downstairs because a ton of my friends have arrived and we're going to watch the boxing fight that's on tonight. It's Anthony Joshua and someone, I don't know, but I just like Anthony Joshua, so that's the reason I'm watching it. Okay, let's not get into that, Brooke. Let's not turn this video into that. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and also the subscribe button so you do not miss any of my future videos, because like I said, I'm going to bring more fashion onto here as well as keeping my regular beauty and makeup videos. So I hope you've had an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.